Hello friends, in this video we will discuss cell structure of algae. So we know that algae have eukaryotic cell. The cell type is eukaryotic cell type is there in case of algae. So in algal cell we will find a distinct nucleus, double membrane bound organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi body. So all these are present. So outermost structure of algal cell is cell wall. So cell wall is the outermost structure of algal cell. Cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Outer to cell wall, a sticky substance, sticky mucilaginous substance is present. So this is sticky mucilaginous substance which is present outside the cell, and this substance is called mucilaginous sheath. It prevents this cell from drought and desiccation. So this is the outermost part is mucilaginous sheath. Inner to this is cell wall, and cell wall is made up of cellulose. Inner to the cell wall is a lipid bilayer is present, and this lipid bilayer is called cell membrane. It is made up of lipids plus proteins. So it is called lipoproteinous cell membrane. If this cell is motile, then it will have flagella. If it is non-motile, then flagella will be absent. So suppose this is a motile cell, then I am drawing here flagella. So these are flagella. Flagella may be smooth type. So here the flagella are smooth, or they may have rough surface because of presence of some hairs like this. If flagella have smooth surface, then they are called whiplash type. Whiplash type flagella, if they have small hairs on the surface of flagella, then they are called tinsel type. So flagella may be whiplash type or may be tinsel type. In the center of this cell, a distinct nucleus is present. Because it is a eukaryotic cell, so there must be a distinct nucleus. So it is a nucleus. So nucleus have a distinct layer around it that is called nuclear membrane. Genetic material is covered by distinct layer or distinct membrane that is called nuclear membrane. Inside nucleus there is a darkly stained body. This darkly stained body is called nucleolus. Around nucleus, or you can say around the nuclear membrane, there is a network of connecting tubules like this. So there are many interconnecting tubules, and in these tubules, so these tubules are called endoplasmic reticulum. Some of these tubules are studded with ribosomes. Some of these tubules have ribosomes on their outer surface. So the tubules which have ribosome on their outer surface are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and some are smooth which don't have ribosome on their surface are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Near to this structure, this connecting tubule, near to this endoplasmic reticulum, there is also a stacks of vesicles like this. This is called Golgi body. This cell also have distinct double membranous respiratory organelle, that is mitochondria. So distinct mitochondria are also there, which performs respiration. And the most important organelle of this algae is cup-shaped single chloroplast is there. So here a cup-shaped chloroplast is present. Shape of this chloroplast may vary species to species. It may be reticulate type, spiral type, C type, but here I am drawing cup-shaped chloroplast. Single chloroplast is there. Inside chloroplast we know that there are stacks of lamellae, interconnecting lamellae, or you can say thylakoids like this. So this is a cup-shaped chloroplast. Inside this chloroplast, a specific body is present which biosynthesizes and stores starch. This is called pyrenoid. And the last one, a specific pigmented body. Present near to flagella, which helps in movement of that cell towards light, which perceives light and mediate its movement towards light. So this specific body that is present nearer to flagella, which perceives light and mediates its movement towards light, is called eye spot. Beside this, some vacuoles are also present. Vacuoles are also present inside algal cell. These vacuoles maintain the turgor pressure of this cell or osmoregulation of this cell. If water is abundant in this cell, then water will move in this vacuole. If this cell becomes flaccid or water content decreases in this cell, then this water comes out from vacuole, and it maintain its osmoregulation. So this is the cell structure of algae.